Welcome to another training session of TIA Portal. In today's tutorial we will see how we can use the fixed window area and templates on Siemens HMI. First we will see what is fixed window area and how to create it. We will go to the home screen, and as you can see that if move the cursor over the edge of the screen, we can move it down and it will create fixed window area on the display. You can see that fixed window area is created on all HMI screens. We can change the color of the fixed window area from general properties of the fixed window area. We can put some texts, buttons and time and date or any other controls per need of project on this fixed window area panel. We can assign an event for this button to activate home screen. Now let's try this and start the HMI simulation. As you can see, that fixed window appears on the HMI display. It will appear on the top of every individual HMI screen. Now let's see how we can use templates on HMI screens. We can create new HMI template from template menu in screen management. Rename this new template as navigation. I will use this template to navigate between HMI screens. We can drag and drop HMI screens on this template. You can see that screens appears as buttons. If someone click on these buttons, it will open corresponding screens. Now we open the home screen and drag and drop navigation template on the home screen. Buttons appears translucent on the screen. It shows that these are part of template and showing the location of the buttons. We can drag and drop template on all HMI screens. We can create different templates and use them as per project needs. Let's run the simulation and test. As you can see, that template is on every screen and navigation buttons are also working. So this today's tutorial on WinCC TIA Portal. Please subscribe to my channel for more upcoming tutorials. Till next tutorial, take care and goodbye.